There was a particular track coach that had a particular runner who showed a lot of promise, but every time he ran, he would be in the lead 90% of the time. It always seemed that in the last few seconds is where someone would overtake him and he would come in second or third. And consistently, this was his problem that he faced. The coach pulled him aside and he said, listen, you truly have the ability to win. You could end up number one if you would learn this one thing. You have got to focus on breaking the tape. What he had a tendency of doing was when it got towards the end of the race and he saw the finish line, he would look around to see where everyone else was. This broke his focus. It gave an opportunity for him to be overtaken. You have to learn, as the Apostle Paul said, forget those things which are behind and press towards the mark of the high calling of God. You've got to learn that it doesn't matter where other people are. Your focus has got to be ahead of you. Radical, extreme focus is what will separate the average from the ultra successful. Warren Buffett said it best this way: the thing that separates highly successful people from just successful people is that highly successful people say no to just about everything. Having the ability to focus on the end goal only and not to be pulled into the minutia of all the other things that people seem to want to do or want to rope you into or want you to be responsible for, you've got to be radically focused like a laser. The difference between a light bulb and a laser, they both put off light, but only one can cut through steel. Here is your Monday morning takeaway. Focus on